Meet XGIMI CC Aurora, the most powerful and portable screenless projector. Take it with you anywhere you go. The CC Aurora is an audio and video entertainment center, all in the palm of your hand. Simply move the slider to start. It will autofocus in less than 3 seconds. Projecting at 720p HD resolution and powered by a built-in high-performing CPU that supports 4K videos. CC Aurora gives you the best cinematic experience both indoors and out. The 20,000 mAh battery brings plenty of play or standby time. With a 180-inch large HD projection area, you can project beyond traditional screen limits. Built with Keystone Correction System, the XGIMI CC Aurora can project a total square screen at any angle, perfect for small spaces. The JBL Stereo 40mm dual speaker with passive bass diaphragm pumps out rich, acoustically amazing sound that will complete the cinematic experience. Wi-Fi capability means it's easy to play videos right off your phone, iPad, or laptop. Free yourself from wires and cables with Strat sharing videos anytime and anywhere. This is the ultimate combination of utility and minimalism. Bring XGIMI CC Aurora on the road and enjoy cinema-quality entertainment whenever you want. XGIMI CC Aurora, born to be simple.
Meet Evo, the foldable camera that shoots 3D and 360. Evo's eyes are just like yours. Open them up and shoot lifelike 3D. Clip on the included 3D viewer and see your memories jump to life. Or snap on holoframe and watch naked eye 3D. You've never seen your phone do this. Evo shoots one image for each of your eyes, then holoframe splits them up with a custom-built filter, and you see 3D. Evo folds up and shoots all directions at once. For big moments, every angle counts. First times can be a little shaky. Evo keeps things steady with gimbal-like stabilization, so you can keep moving and focus on what matters. Time shift mode puts a 360 twist on your time lapses. Vacations will never look the same. Watching in VR is easy. Connect Evo directly to your headset and play back your favorite shots straight off the camera. Evo lets you live your best moments again and again. Capture, share, and relive what you love.